Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to pin a chat message on the Telegram application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the chat tab down below, which is the second option. And then select the chat, select your message that you want to delete, hold your finger on it until these options appear to you, click on the delete button, and here you have two options, delete for me and your recipient, and delete for me, so it will only be deleted from your own chat. Select one of these options, tap on it, and then your message will be deleted. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.